Hello friend, welcome to my channel Design and Food Guide Animation Movies for Kids. In this video, we are going to get there are websites which provide us green screen footage. So as you can see on my screen, there are three websites which are open. One is Pixabay, second is Pixel, and third one is Vidzy. So if I go to Pixabay and type here as green screen video, and instead of images I go to videos and search here, I will be getting the videos which are green screen and which I can easily download and use in my After Effects, and I can edit it for any purposes. So once I click on that video, it is showing me the options which are available. One is record a dimension in which I can easily download this footage. If I select it and download, it will get download. So next one is pixels.com. In pixels also same, we will be getting, if I type here as green screen, green screen, and instead of photos, if I select footage, videos, and here there are green screen footages. And this, if I select this one, and here same, we will getting the dimensions which we required. So if I click on this drop down icon, I will be getting this kind of dimension. Here you can easily type custom. If I want 1920 into 10, I can get this also, and if I check download, it will get download. So another website is Vidzy. Vidzy is a website where you will be getting lots of ready-made footages which are in green screen, and you can utilize this. For example, if I select this, so this one is showing this as it's Adobe stock, but there are some footages which you can use. For example, let me this one as this one. If I select this and right click and open in new tab, open the link in new tab. Here I will be getting this video and I can easily download it. If I select download, it will automatically get downloaded. So these are the some websites which you can easily get green screen footages. I will be sharing other kind of footages, free footages link website in my description. So for more videos, Please subscribe to my channel and give thumbs up, and thanks for watching my video.